What's up, guys? Ddubs Garage here. We're back again. A lot of new stuff going on. A lot of new projects. We're getting stuff in and out of the door. It's been a crazy couple months, but they've been good ones. I'm really excited now because I finally got the piston rings in for this Honda Twinstar. So we're going to get back on this. I actually just installed them by hand. I wanted to kind of take my time and not break any rings. I do actually have 3 extra sets just in case, so that would cover if I had messed them all up the first time and then maybe one more. So luckily I got them in, nothing's broken. I have them clocked 120 away from each other, so it's basically thirds, and that's per Honda manual. So right now I'm actually going to get the head bolts back in this thing, and then I'm really hoping we can actually get these barrels back on it, and maybe even the head today. That would be awesome. It's a little later in the day. I worked on my brother's Fiesta today. We did some axle seals, so I'm a little tired. It's cold out here, but I just had the urge to wrench. I didn't really have much else going on. It's my first weekend after a new job, so you know, what else would I be doing, right? So we are gonna keep rolling on this thing. I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. Let's get those head bolts in, and let's start getting this engine back together because I can't wait to ride it. Got it. Looking really good. I'm stoked. So we got the dowel pins in there as well. This actually needs O-rings to seal here. So I'm gonna consult the manual this time, and we're gonna get those O-rings in the right place. Get the head on this thing. Let's keep rolling. Alright guys, so that is the head back on. We haven't actually bolted it down yet. Couple of things along the way where I probably could have used some tricks that I'm sure guys that build these all the time know, but now I know them. So basically we have the chain tensioners loose, the cam is perfectly aligned with the timing mark down on the crank, so everything's cool there. I torqued these bolts that hold the cam sprocket on to spec, so that's awesome. I'm basically gonna get the rockers on this thing and then torque down the head bolts, and that's as far as I can go because I did not remember to bring my feeler gauge home from work. I didn't think I was gonna get this far, honestly, but this thing is going together like a dream. So let's get these rockers on here and then we'll call it a day for now. But it's always fun working on the Twinstar, and I'm glad you guys are here for the ride. All right, and just like that, head is on, all brand new gaskets, very nice stuff. Everything is torqued to spec. I just can't go any further. I was about to put that intake on, as you can see, and then I realized I gotta mess with the cam chain tension. Apparently you actually adjust the valves first and then you set the tension, so I'm gonna wait to actually read over that in the manual until I actually get my feeler gauge next weekend so that I can get this thing dialed in, get that valve cover on, get it back in the bike, and then start it. I can't wait to hear this thing run. I really hope that cleaning up the bores like that, and then obviously the new piston rings will help. I've never done a top end on a 4-stroke before, or a 2-stroke for that matter, so this is all new for me, guys. If you see anything that I did that was a little off, just let me know in the comments, but I'm pretty proud with how it's going so far. I'm learning a lot. I'm actually starting to work on bikes for a living, sort of, hopefully soon, and I love motorcycles, I love cars, I love it all, so anything mechanical, I love making the videos and just learning about it. So it's been really fun to have the actual manual for this thing. I guess, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to leave a comment, even a like, and maybe even subscribe. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for coming.